Ready to cozy up to something that is hearty and flavorful that you can cook in your own kitchen with minimal effort? Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a terrific recipe for you with Southwest chicken corn soup. So let's get started. Let's prepare the aromatics. Butter makes everything taste better. Let's build the soup. The earliest known evidence of soup dates back to the year 20,000 BC, found in scorched pottery in China's Dong Cave. Canned soup was introduced in the late 19th century, revolutionizing convenient cooking. Today's soup ranges from instant noodles to gourmet creations, reflecting cultural diversity and innovation. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion of this soup into a bowl. topped with more shredded cheese. And of course, chopped cilantro. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this soup is packed with tender shredded chicken, sweet corn, diced tomatoes, cheese blend, and bold Southwest spices. This easy one-pot meal is perfect for busy weeknights and cozy weekends. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Whether you're craving comfort food or looking for a healthy dinner idea, this protein-rich soup delivers big taste with minimal effort. You and your guests at the table will absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of this recipe. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one soul-warming soup. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.